Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick snack. This is a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. If you like tomato sandwiches, you will love this. I'm just gonna slice them up and just dice them up in kind of small pieces. These are just 2 small tomatoes. Whatever size slices, whatever you want, small or larger. Cut that piece off in that little bad spot. Okay, you wipe my hands off. And we're gonna add a little salt and pepper to taste. A little pepper. I'm just gonna throw a little pickling salt because I'm down in the canyon area right now. Just a little bit. All right, then we're going to stir that all together. All right, and then we're going to take some saltine crackers and crush them up. Not all the way, but just kind of like you would if you were putting some in soup. Kind of like that. And then you're just going to stir them in. And that's it, guys. It is so good. I promise you, try it. And I think it would even be good if you wanted a little sweeter taste, just to put a little bit of sugar in it. But just give it a try. Like I said, if you like tomato sandwiches, you'll like this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and give this a try.